Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mazda CX-7 Luxury, stock reference number 4097. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, non-heated type. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black centre console. Automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen, CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.